Okay, first of all, I'm just going to demo how easy it is to use a keyboard and mouse. I've got a Corsair Harpoon mouse. I've also got a Corsair K65 RGB Mini. This is wired and my mouse is wireless. It is using the low latency 2.4 GHz bandwidth, and it can be shared. One can be shared between multiple devices like your headset, your keyboard and your mouse, etc. But in this example, there's one wired keyboard and a wireless mouse. There are two games I know that work with a keyboard and mouse, and it just works straight away in the menus, but it doesn't work fully. You can move around, but you can't use the mouse on the screen. Only once in the game, then you can see that the mouse and keyboard just appears and works natively with the Xbox. So that is kind of a game changer. So you can see here it's connected fine, there's no issues. I can play the Sea of Thieves, no problem, and you can customize all the settings like you would with a PC. Yes, the mouse has a slightly bigger icon, but other than that, it's pretty close to having a budget gaming PC, and it's going to be a lot cheaper and probably a lot quicker than trying to build a PC yourself. Plus also, the Xbox games that you buy, some of them can be used in the Xbox store on your PC if you ever decide to upgrade. Or if you get a Series X in the future, that should be a fairly easy swap, and that is a really good console with great graphics capabilities there. So as I've said before, I've recommended this to members of the Discord who've asked questions. Then wanted a quick demo, which I've done here. It's quite a short video, but it's just showing you how good this can be as a quick replacement for a PC if you can't afford one yet and you've got a nice screen, a keyboard and mouse. Just go for it. 250 quid in the UK, it's an absolute bargain. You can probably get some off eBay for like 200 quid, which is just crazy for what it can do. And it can still do 4K display if you like using Netflix, etc. It just can't game in 4K. And yes, I have got a gaming PC now, but considering the cost that was involved in doing that and knowing what to do by building it, I'd say the Series S is an absolute steal.